Hey there, I'm Hayden, and today I'd like to show you a few little tricks with the instrument known as the Hammond organ. In front of me is not a Hammond organ. It's a keyboard that can replicate it a little bit. But I'm going to just show you a couple things that it does really uniquely. First of all, it has infinite sustain, so it just holds on no matter what. It's just going to keep going. It's not going to stop until you let go of the note. This is cool because you can get some really cool screaming kind of notes. The other thing about it is traditionally Hammond organs were connected up to something called a Leslie speaker. It's this massive box. There's this horn at the top and it's literally rotating, and that horn is where the sound comes out. And so you get this sound that... And you can speed it up. There's a button here and there's a button on most of them. You get this really cool dynamic effect. Cool. When we put it together and start actually playing some stuff, let's say I'm going to do some soloing on good old A minor blues scale. A, C, D, E flat, E, G, A. One of the really cool techniques about organ is that it's a really percussive instrument. If you hit it and let go, that is quite an instantaneous sound. So you can end up getting a lot of these really cool kind of sounds where you're bouncing between the hands and you get this really cool rhythm. It's a very rhythmic instrument when you get into it. One of the other cool things is exactly what I did there, sliding notes. Particularly palm slides. Get the bottom of your palm on top of the keys, up nice and high, not at the back here, up on top, slide all the way up. Don't dig in too deep or you'll get stuck. All the way up, land on a note in the scale that you need to play. Beautiful. Have some fun with the Hammond organ.